Alfajores Danubio. Sweet layered pastries. A dessert from Argentina. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Beat the butter with the sugar and essences. Add the eggs one at a time. Incorporate the flour and the almonds and knead lightly. Step 2. Place dough in the fridge for about half hour. Step 3. Roll out the dough and cut out rounds. Step 4. Bake for about 20 minutes on greased and floured baking sheets. Step 5. Take 2 rounds and put them together with marmalade, melted chocolate or dulce de leche, then you can also roll the wet edges in shaved coconut. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.